This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode. When was the first time you left Jamaica to go somewhere outside of Jamaica on a sound system?
I think it was 84. Me, Echo Minot, we went to the first time we flew to Jamaica. I think it was 84. Me and Echo Minot went to Cayman.
Okay.
Cayman. That was the first time I flew, but
was that a show or a dance?
I want to tell you, it was a dance though. Mm-hmm. It was a dance.
On King Jammies?
No, it was a song from Cayman.
Okay. Big. All right. Since we're talking about flyout, a big dance that I remember was a King Jammies versus Downbeat. I think this was about 86. This was you versus Papa San.
Yeah. So them dance there, history dance. Mm-hmm. Me and Chaka Demos. Mm-hmm. Yeah? And listen to me. Again, I will give credit where credit is due. Son, bad artist. Mm-hmm. Bad artist. Saying, but you see the night there, mm-hmm. Son, we get the better here. That may I tell you. Mm-hmm. Lock off, Downbeat.
King Jammies.
Yeah. Lock off, Downbeat, son. You hear me? We got the better you that night, son. Remember the time you made me run from over Spanish Town? Son, make me run from over Spanish Town one time.
Hold on, before we get... I have that in my mind. I have the Spanish Town in my mind, but I want to finish Downbeat and Jammies.
Bud.
What happened that night with the Downbeat and Jammies?
You know, young DJs are come up and forward up and thing and Jaja. You know, say Black Star now, a Pilp uptown, you see me? Black Star. Everybody are talking about Black Star, but here now, I don't know who draw the card upon Star because I don't think him know. Mm-hmm. Creation, in a creation, HQ. You hear me say? Black Star with creation in a Mother G place. Mm-hmm. And you hear me? I say, yo, me and Danny Dread alone, and I say, yo, same thing again, I say, yo, I'm a deaf brigadier there in Jamaica. Because we know son of pepper, Zine, my lad, we go here say son not dead. Son gone to Canada. And mostly I hear me. Me and Danny Dread take them on and check so we are run where we did. Because guess what? I beer forward. Yeah. And we swear so now we are coming at an area, come defeat them like how we did to Metro Media, you see me? Mm-hmm. Me I hear, I come through the gate. Mm-hmm. And me I say, I think a whole heap of people more rush a forward in, you know. No, none of that. Here comes son. In a night there. Mm-hmm. Listen to me now, man. Me really know. Listen to me. You have a youth named Neville. Mm-hmm. Where drive carry over there in a Land Rover. You see when son start, Alright, here what now. I'm gonna tell you something. The first time me Tonto, hear that mix ya tuk son me here with it.
Okay.
The first time I heard it. Mm-hmm. And that was the night. Yo, you saw me see the man start, me I say, yo, Danny Dread. Me out a door in the Jeep. Yo, the school, man. And guess what? You hear me now? Yeah. Mr. Danny Dread, so when you're forward, tell Tony, say, yo, forward, we're ready. Yeah, man, I run from over that, man. Yeah, man, but Lieutenant Stichie, Lieutenant Stichie, greatest, man. Yo, them man, they trace off your clothes off of you, I tell you that, Yeah, man, them man, yo. I two of the most terriblest DJ ever come out of Jamaica.
But you say you got back San and downbeat that.
Yeah, man, and more than listen. Then up the four sound clash now in the depot Metro Media to man. They want to lock off Metro Media up the sort to man.
And San was on it.
Oh, you mean you stand the depot on it? San and Metro and them man. Metro, you remember?
Crazy.
But here one now, it's a Stitchie. When Stitchie surface now, DJ have to know how to approach Lieutenant Stichie. You better approach with caution. Yo, the man they have a flock of hyena behind them. Lieutenant Stichie, Ricky Stero,
Wolfman.
Ray with one bag of hyena. And then Stitchie set the hyena them pan you, and then here comes Wolfman, here comes Stitchie. Yeah, man, them DJ in my ear are not supposed to know, man. Them man, they miserable, man. Oh, yes, man.
Yeah, man. Bad songs. Did Jammies ever clash Stereo One? You remember and you were on it?
No, not in my time.
You know what? You're right, because Stereo One came out a bit later in the 80s, and I think at this time you had left already.
Yeah.
Because that was like 87, 88 and stuff like that. All right. Another big dance, I remember King Jammies. This one was in New York, Brooklyn, at the Empire Skating Disco.
Oh, yeah, the muscle. Signature dance again. Yo, it's the same amount of people on the inside Empire Skating Ring. The same amount of people outside. Seeing? Judgment. Me, Chakademus, John Wayne, Bommy Man. Yo, John, Judgment again. That was a very big dance. Very big dance.
Because what I remember most was that night, Bommy Man had like it looked like a horn or I don't even know what it was.
It's bamboo. It's a bamboo. Yeah, a cow chain them man they wearing a real cow chain and them nothing normal about them man they, you know. Ja.
Yo, listen, you see when the man started to turn on the sling thing on that bamboo? Blast.
Yeah, man. You see, I and I can be creative, brethren. Oh, Bang Man could just know, say, yo, can just take a piece of bamboo and the thing wicked.
Crazy. And on top of that, you're DJing on the rhythm. On top of that.
Yeah, man, because it sounds just like the rhythm.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusica.com.